Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. All right. Oh, whoa. Wow, it stinks under here. Look at that. It's completely cracked. Wow. Just a plastic tailpiece. What the heck? I ain't training very well either. What the heck? Alright. It's backed up. Disposal's not working. What the? Dang. Dang. I need paper towels. I don't see any anywhere. How do people live without paper towels? Where are they? Alright, whatever. Dang. Got it all over me. So why is this? Oh, this waist arm is just... What the heck? Look at that. This is a freaking nightmare. The freaking fork in here. Look at that. What? I mean, how does that even get down there? Yeah, I guess it would fit. Yeah. Guess you could get it down there. Alright, I'm just gonna replace this whole thing. Breathe. Snacks. Yeah. Yeah. Gosh, alright. So I got a new tailpiece, new top hat. Let's see. Got a tailpiece, top hat washer, a new slip joint washer. Let's take this apart. What the heck? How many forks are down here? Look at that. Bro. Look at that. What in the world? Oh. What the heck are they putting down there, man? Golly. That's crazy. Dude, I'm completely wrong here. I thought that was cracked. This is fine. This was just, it was leaking because of all the stuff that I pulled out. So it's not, I don't have to replace this. That's just the paint that's cracked. I thought this was cracked too, but it's not. It's fine. It was just leaking because it was backed up really bad. Look at all the hair. What in the world? This is bizarre. I'm gonna take that trap off. There's probably a fork in there too. Bro, look at this. I just pulled all this up. Oh. Oh. That is disgusting. What the heck? What the heck? Mac and cheese. Oh, that is disgusting. There you go. Make sure there's no leaks. This is why you never put disposals in a rental. People think you can just pack them with food. It's clear now. I don't know how this is leaking, but it's not leaking. Wild. Oh, we got a nut driver and tighten that up. Okay. It's just clogged with forks and knives and stuff. It's all good now.